welcome, and today we are doing a speed build for the Ravager attack. This set has Taserface's ship, which is a nice ship, and then a little tree area. Then Taserface, which is a cool figure. Mantis, I can add her to my Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 minifigure collection. And Rocket Raccoon, this is a really awesome version of Rocket Raccoon. So let's get into it. Here's the front of the box, and now let's take a look at the back. It just shows Taserface, his ship crashed, and now Rocket Raccoon and Mantis are attacking him. Then down here, it shows all the action features. Basically, every action feature involves a stud shooter, which is kind of crazy. Then it also says a comic book is included. And then it also just has a little box art there, a picture of all of them. And then down here, well, let me zoom out a minute. They show Rocket Raccoon and Mantis attacking Taserface, but in that picture, why doesn't Taserface have his big gun? Then they also just show a picture of the Taserface minifigure. So let's get into this, and this is the speed build, but I will also do a review for it once I build it. This is called Ravager Attack number 76079, ages 6 to 12, 197 pieces. Then also up here they show all the Guardians of the Galaxy in Wiggler form, not Lego. For some reason, Groot looks a little weird. He looks like a toy in that picture. Anyway, let's get into it. So let's open this thing up. There we go. And we have an instruction booklet. And, whoa, hold on, a whole lot more. But we have an instruction booklet, a comic book, and here is the comic book, if you want to read that. And then on the back they do show all the characters, which is kind of cool. Mantis, Rocket Raccoon, Taserface, Aisha, Star-Lord, Groot, Yondu, Groot, Gamora, Star-Lord, Nebula, and Drax. So that is cool. And I sort of have a little comic book collection, and I haven't got this comic book yet, so I'm happy to add this to my collection. And then you also get some stickers, one which is the Ravager symbol, and then a piece of the Milano, I think that is. And yeah. And then we get bag number 1 and bag number 2. It looks like this one's for the ship and this one's for the side piece, the little shrubs, and then the rest is empty. And yeah, so there we go. So let's get into this thing. Starting off with big number 1. Here we go. I'm not gonna time lapse the beginning with when I put the minifigures together, but I will time lapse the actual build. So there we go. We don't need those pieces or those bags. I'm going to just move that over. And then put the little pieces over there. Now you can put them together. I just like them separate. But there we go. Now let's start off putting the minifigures together. So the first one, we're going to get Taserface. So there we go. Wait, actually I think gotta take that off. Oh man, Taserface's head is... That's really stuck on there. So there we go. And now I'm going to get his beard. No, that's not his beard. Here's his beard. So we're going to first put his beard on, but before I do, you can see he's got pretty nice printing on that torso. And then now we put his face on. He does not have an alternate expression because you would be able to see it. Okay, now his face won't go on. There. I think that is pretty good. I'm going to put this on. Looking pretty good. And now, so here is Taserface. He looks pretty good. But we're not done with him yet. But first let's get Mantis. Mantis, I hope, is easier. Nice torso printing. It's definitely not as exciting as Taserface's torso, but her head is way easier to get on. And then this is a really nice hairpiece because this is exclusive to her. And there is Mantis, so she looks good. And Mantis, what? She does have an alternate face. If you watch my review, you will see that because now it doesn't want to come off. But yeah, you will see that. So now I'm going to time lapse it into the build part. So here is Taserface's humongous gun. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a nice brick built one, and it has a stud shooter on the end, so you can actually shoot that. And yeah, I mean it's humongous. I would have liked maybe Rocky Raccoon to have it, but it looks good. Bag number 2, as like in the first bag, I'm going to open it up to do the minifigures first, and then after that, then I will time lapse the build. So in this bag is gonna be Rocket Raccoon, so that's gonna be really cool. And there's actually 2 little bags, which that doesn't happen that much. I'm just going to move the ship over there. As well as those pieces. There we go. And minifigure time. So, Rocket Raccoon. We want to first get on his tail. His tail feels like, this part that goes onto his tail feels sort of flimsy. Which, I don't really like that, but, once it's on, it's fine. And you can see right there, he has some good torso printing. And these are supposed to be, I think, overalls. At least in the movie, they were overalls. There he is. and he looks really good. I think I put his tail on wrong. Yeah, hold on. I'm pretty sure I put his tail on either wrong or back. How are you supposed to put his tail on? Hold on. Oh, like this, so it's up. There we go. So here he is. His tail's supposed to be up like that. So he looks good, and he is actually smiling. So there we go. Now back to building. So Wacky Raccoon has two Lego blasters here, and they are both brick built. And I think this one right here looks better. It's more brick built. This one they just put a stud on. It seems like they sort of got lazy on this one and detailed more of this one. I do like this one. This one I maybe, yeah, I really like that one. But you could also have Taserface's big gun, have Waka Raccoon have that, and I think that would work. But I do like this for a change, but I also like the big gun. So yeah, back to building again. So here is Taserface's ship, and you just take Taserface, open up the cockpit, pretty snug in there, and it fits him, barely. And there is Taserface's ship. Yeah. And now we will move on to the last part of this set.
What's his name? Taserface? Whoa, can't catch me,
Thanks for
Taserface.
watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. If we can get to 50 likes, that would be amazing. As I said before, I will do a full detailed review for this set. But look how many extra studs you get. You get like a ton of extra studs. But this is a great set, and I hope you enjoyed the little stop motion video at the end. And thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.